In this particular video, we are gonna take a look at Rofi. Rofi is a window switcher, an application launcher, and a menu replacement, but sucks less. And it's basically for a new user, it would be nothing but a application launcher, and that's what I will explain in this video, and I will show you how to download Rofi and why use it over your default menu system. So if you are in a desktop environment, then you will probably use something like you will use something like a menu where you click a button and it just comes like a Cine menu or a Gnome menu. So it comes like that, and that's really actually you could do something to be more productive than that. Well, why even click a button? Why don't just get a shortcut and then type the name of the application? Just get a floating application launcher. Why not do that? So sounds interesting, right? So it's actually better than just using a menu, and you will surely get a workflow boost if you use it instead of your traditional menu system. So let's just see the installation guide, and this is our official page for Rofi. So here they are actually giving the building instructions, but as I'm in Arch Linux and everything's mostly in the AUR or the Arch Linux repositories, I'm just gonna search for Rofi. And after searching, I'm seeing that it's Rofi is already in the community repos of of Arch Linux. So I will just install Rofi, yes Rofi, which is again already installed in my system. I'll just do this now. Now that's what we did, and now what we need to do is after we will just launch Lofi. So to launch Lofi, I guess the command was Rofi show drun. So this is the vanilla Rofi, which you will say that how's this ugly looking thing so good? I mean, why do you call it good? I will just first we will check out some inbuilt themes. For this, we wanna run the Rofi theme selector command, and that will make us see the themes. So if we use the Android notification theme, then this looks uh, like the Android notification theme desktop. And here we go for Arc Botticelli, or actually these are by Arco Linux, so I won't include them this time because that won't be cross-platform. There's the Arc theme, there's a Graphbox theme, and there's a Graphbox Dark Heart theme. That's a Blue Bro theme. So there are many themes actually. Dark blue theme, C64 theme, which is barely visible for me. Blue theme, that's again barely visible. The D menu like theme. Then the docu beef theme, which I have no idea what it is. Then there is purple theme, etc., etc. Q sidebar theme. So these are these are basically the themes. Now to set one theme, suppose I like this solarized theme, for example, or maybe I like this sidebar more. So to set this, I'm just gonna press Alt A in the keyboard, and next time I launch Rofi Shodiran, then you will see that I get this kind of menu. But still, it looks kind of ugly, right? So for that, now what we need to do is we are finding external themes. So this is an excellent repository for it, and I just have to clone this first. This is an excellent repository with some things that are pretty nice in Rofi. Now follow the instructions I am doing here, or you can just go for the official installation guide. So here they have given this. Yeah, let's just remove this. Yeah, so I've already cloned it before. So ls Rofi, let's just ls Rofi. We want to cd into the Rofi directory, ls clear, ls again, and then we run setup.sh. Then we want to choose your screen level resolution, and I go for 1. because I have a 1080 pixels desktop, and that's created a backup, and that's good. And then it has installed the fonts and successfully installed theme. Now what we need to do here, let's see. So actually, here it's just given the binaries, but what I would like to do basically is move these binaries to actually no, won't do those then. I'm gonna go to cd, our home directory, and config rofi, and I'm gonna ls, and we go to the bin folder, cd bin, and here it shows us the symlinks for our files. Now here I would like to do launcher misc. Okay, launcher misc. So this is how our launcher looks like. So this is also boring. Well, I'm just opening this thing in Visual Studio Code. Oh no, previous one was great. So now we are just messing around with these. It is just load. I opened this by mistake. So let's just quit the left window and focus on the right one, which is our Rofi folder. Then we go to launchers, and from launchers we go to misc, and I would like to go to launcher.sh, and I would like to change this to blurry full. Actually, the style will be blurry full. So I'm gonna make this blurry full dot rasi. I'm gonna do this, and then I am just gonna rerun the command, the binary cd config rofi bin, and then we do launcher misc, and we will have a beautiful launcher here. So this is where we have a beautiful Mac like launcher. You will see if you can. Let's just say let's just try another theme, blurry, and launcher misc. So it comes a very small one. So I actually like this blurry full instead of this. We are using Papyrus here. We can change the icon theme, I guess, from this file. So icon theme, I'm just using a white sir dark. Then let's just change this to white sir dark, and then we again launched. Actually, we will launch the blurry theme, blurry full, okay, because I really like that theme. Besides, blurry full. That's good, and that has given us that I didn't really find, I guess. Let's just go to our back to our file, white sir. Let's change this to S, and then we will see that we have already got our. Actually, we have until now. We're still getting the default one. White sir. Let's see. Let's check out Papyrus. We search for Papyrus in the whole thing. So there's not Papyrus, and so what can be our theme? Well, let's just do then. Let's just default to Papyrus then. Sure, MISC. So this is this is with the Papyrus theme, and this is looking pretty great. Our transparency, let's just make it real, and that's basically what we could do actually. So if we run if we launch the run thing, then we will face this kind of interface. And it's really a cool launcher. You can mess out with other settings. So suppose we wanna see the column thing. Everything's in this themes folder. So this comes like a column. So these are the launchers. Basically, I'm just showing the launchers for this video. KDE runner, if we use, then this comes like this, like the KDE one, KDE themed. If we go KDE simple menu, then it's just gonna show us the simple menu. And we can use another, we could use suppose Launchpad seems a good one. Launchpad.rc. Then actually this is great. This is actually a bit better than the last one. So this is a launcher. This is like the Mac OS Launchpad, which uses this theme. That's great. We can change the icon theme again here. Let's just try to. White sir. Hope this happens. Yeah. So White sir is walking in this one too. So this is what I will set as my default. So how to set is as default. Well, what you can do is you can add a command. Actually, we can add this following command, which will be in the startup. And to add it in the startup, we will this is actually .config auto start ls. Let's just make another. I'm using Nano for a beginner friendly interface. Let's just do something like Rofi dot no okay, not this. I was just gonna add it to auto start. That's not good. So you can just make a keyboard shortcut in your desktop environment. In my awesome window manager, I can just edit the config, and on pressing the shortcut it will do the following command: clear bash config menu, uh, no, actually, launcher mask launcher.sh. So this is what will happen after editing the file. After editing the file, you have to just run this command bash this script to launch the menu, and that simple it is. That's it, dead simple. And you can really use this for any of your tasks, and you will see that this is slightly better and faster than your casual menu. And you can just set a keyboard shortcut. Suppose for me, I just prefer doing something like menu plus R, and that's what I do. You can do something else, but I like this super plus R. And that was it for this video. Hope you liked this one, and meet you in the next video. For now, see you, goodbye.